want today.
Okay, wow.
Well, there's a reason this one's in the driveway.
I'm sorry.
There's a reason this one's in the driveway.
This is my birthday present.
I will be your designated driver.
Oh, I get it right.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. That would be wonderful. I haven't had a ride on a bike in a while.
Well,
A while, how long?
Today it's my honor.
Oh, am I driving? No.
You're going to drive him.
God forbid.
You know, and I was worried about this on the way up, and I still got nothing. I didn't know how I'd react. I still got nothing. Yeah, I'm
It's
Steve,
so
by the way.
nice. It's so nice to have you guys. Yeah.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's an honor to be here.
Oh, it's a beautiful day too. Oh, thank you for coming.
I understand you have experience.
I used to drive one, a Harley.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Are you going to be okay on an Indian, or?
Oh, honey, as long as it has two wheels and handlebars, I'm fine.
You got it. You got it. We'll take care of it. We'll take care of it.
Oh, that's a gorgeous bike.
All right, for the little guys, hey, come up and take a look. Just if it's shiny and chrome, it's hot. Don't touch.
All right, don't touch the shiny chrome.
Well, up here.
Happy birthday.